In this tutorial, we are going to go through for product function. This product function, as the name indicates, gives the product of the numbers in a column. The syntax of this function is product and the column, right? This column is a parameter here. This is the column that contains the numbers for which product is to be calculated. It returns a decimal value as the result, and this function is not supported for use in direct query mode when used in calculated columns or row level security rules. Right? Let's see how we can compute the product of a column. So here I have two tables, right? You can see here. One is my orders table. You will find the link of this table in description below, right? This is the sample superstore data, and this DAX playlist is the table specific for all our calculations. So this is a specific DAX specific table. Now I'll just go to my table view and you will see that we have 9,994 rows. That's the too much values. If you multiply sales amount, quantity, discount, and profit, any of these column, you will get infinity as a result, because there are, if you multiply so many values, it will be infinity. So I'll just give you demo using one new table. So I'm just creating a new table here using enter data. That will be a static table. Let me give it the name as region table here, right? In this, let me give column name as uh, region, and second column as sales amount, right? Here region, let's say central. Our data set is for USA, so we will be creating the regions as per that. So let's say 120, this one. Then we have East region, and keeping the sales amount, let's say 2343. And we have then South, let me give it 3243. Then we have West, let's keep it as this one. So we have four regions in USA. So I have created the table that way. Let me load it. So it has automatically created the relationship between the tables, right? The new table and the orders table. So one to many relationship it is has created for regions column, right? Let me just give you the how this product function works. So, creating new measure here. Let's give the measure name as product value, and we will be using product function here. And we have region table, so I'll be picking up the region table and the column here, right? So if you just search for sales amount here, so it will give you two columns, right? Orders table and regions table. So you can pick up the column from any of the two tables. So I have to pick up from region table, right? How this of these two, what is these two values means. So the under inside this square braces, the sales amount, this is particularly the column name we have, and outside this region table, this is our table name, right? So this is table name, and inside this table name we have sales amount column, and for this value we are computing the product function product, right? So you can just to execute this function, you can just commit it or you can press enter, right? I will be displaying you the value on a card. So just copy it and paste this card and will show you the value. It has given me 12.09 t. T means 1000. We can just change the display unit here to none, and it has given me this value, right? A huge value we have. You can just give the display unit to this one, or millions, you can see, right? Now you can just pass on this value to this table also. Let's see how it will display it. Right, this is displaying me the same value for each and everything. Correct. Few points to note: that product function ignores blank values by skipping it and multiplies the remaining values. Right, if any column contains any blank value, right, then that blank value will be skipped. If all the values in the column are blank, then product will return 1, and product does not consider blanks as 0. Otherwise, the result would always be 0. So this is the condition for product function and how it considers blank.